we're still here, Bravo 237. And, Terminal Porter 2363, we can just get like 5 or 10 more degrees to the right, that should work out perfectly. Okay, Porter 2363, turn right, heading 150. Heading 150, perfect, Porter 2363. Porter 226, I'm going to switch you over to Montreal Center so you can get higher there. Contact them on 13497, which you're heading. Okay, 3497, what's the heading now, Porter 2363? What it?
I think this might actually end up being okay.
Yeah, no, we're fine. It looks like we got some separation, so.
Oops, that's too far in.
Want to go 3000?
Check.
Armed. Looking good. Demo it out just a little bit.
Come on, Bravo 237, looks like we should clear this, so we're going to
Okay, Roger, Bravo 237, begin.
Waypoint, turning final.
Alright, Richard 3547, accepting counter contact 5000. Richard 3547, Ottawa departure is
After 3000.
Time to 130. Time 13000, Richard 3547.
Alt captured.
Very decided.
Bravo 237, contact Ottawa Tower 118.8 today.
Very clear, Bravo 237. Tower load, Bravo 237 on the announcement to pressure 32.
Bravo 237, Ottawa Tower, altimeter 2969, little line, runway 32.
2969, clear land, 32, Bravo 237.
Surprised our glide slope never showed up.
On Vodal, that checks out.
Okay.
Guess we're disregard that.
Check. I'll take 515.
Okay, checks out 15 is running.
And I'll take the gear down.
Gears rolling.
Runway inside.
Okay.
Wind check 340 as well.
Left 30 final landing checks.
Bay checks 30 is running. Gear down. 3 and square main taxi are both on. Prop DAs. Weather radar is all off. Waiting on your autopilot and yacht amp. We have landing clearance.
Check. Autopilot is coming on now.
Check. Bounds are complete. You are ref plus 10.
Check.
Plus 10, I'm good.
Check.
But you could probably expect the first exit just beyond the intersection.
Check.
What they'll tell us. Plus 10, okay, a little bit to the right.
Check. Correcting.
Just keep rolling the city.
Air Bravo 3, direction Air Bravo 237, X Charlie, contact ground 121.9.
Charlie, ground 219, about 2.
Ground Camp Force 3082 at the MOT, ready for taxi runway 32 with Sierra.
Camp Force 3082, runway 32, the altimeter 2969, winds 36012, gust 17. And taxi on Bravo. And actually, just hold your position there. There's got one going, just going to the FBOs there. We'll have to let him get by. We're going to have a roadblock here.
Okay, we're visual. We'll hold our position for Camp Force 3082.
Ground Bravo 237 for skyservice on Charlie.
Okay, Bravo 237, taxi straight ahead. Ramps, your discretion, and Bravo Golf Sky Service.
Bravo call for discretion to skyservice, Bravo 237.
Camp Force 3082, when that Pilatus goes by.
Skyservice low to Bravo 237.
Proceed on the ramp, your discretion, then Echo Cross runway 25, hold short of 32, contact tower 1
Aircraft for Sky Service, go ahead. Pilatus goes by, taxi EI, discretion, Echo Cross 25, and hold short 32.